To achieve success, you don't need a lot of money. In fact, you learn them on your own. And in this video, I'll reveal how. Hello everyone, my name is Jamal here. With the system, I'll learn how to make my first money in trading and reach an income of $200 a week when I was just starting out. It still works today. For example, last week my student Rajesh from Delhi managed to earn $1,000 500, and all thanks to the simplest strategy, just 2 indicators. So guys, watch this video to the end and I will show you all the exact settings and nuances so you can achieve a stable income. Alright guys, let's start setting up our trading system. Only the Alligator indicator and the Williams oscillator, also known as the Williams percentage R. For the Alligator, set the adjust period to 14. Remove the teeth line, we won't need it, and make the remaining band slightly thicker. Okay, everything is ready, and now we can break the strategy's logic. And this section is perfect for it. Let me walk you through it. First key rule, you monitor the crossover between the blue and green bands. Key signal, when the blue band stays above, the assets trends downward. That's our first trading condition. Now, let's examine the opposite scenario. Example here, immediate band crossover, the green light dominates above and the price rallies in this zone. Do you see the logic? Blue above means downward trend, green above uptrend. It is the simplest signals for entry. But sometimes the asset enters these phases, sideways flat, where the Alligator becomes nearly useless. That's why we have the Williams percentage R. We identify zones with the assets break out of its channel. For us, this is the signal to avoid the trade. As you can see here, the asset stalled and reversed. Now, let's look at the opposite scenario. If Williams dips below the lower boundary and then recovers, the asset starts gaining momentum. So in this case, we have a stop signal. It's not worth entering a short position though. Okay, now we are all set. The Alligator indicator suggests an entry. While Williams warns of a reversal. Next, I'll carefully analyze the current market and find our first entry point. Let's go guys. Okay, yeah, the first entry point. I see a strong upside opportunity. Yeah, first, the previous downtrend has been broken. You can even see the reversal forming on the charts. Second, the Alligator green line is above, meaning the asset is in a growth phase. Third, Williams percent R is just exiting the oversold zone and it's re-entering the channel. We are seeing a bounce and it's reasonable to expect a new upward phase. Okay, now let's confirm this. The price is already climbing. It's likely to move toward these levels. Here's the nearest one with a further target beyond. Overall, the chart should retrace all the key levels it previously fell from. Remember traders, the market always moves level to level, so it's crucial to spot them during your trades. At the very least, they serve as key reference points in your analysis. 3, 2, 1. Okay, our first trade is already set. Guys, now let's switch chart and trade something else. Here we go. A new opportunity that I will take immediately. Yeah, I'm opening a short position. Let's break it down. The blue line is above the green one. Yes, you can see that. The asset is generally declining, plus Williams has long exited the lower zone. Nothing prevents it from returning there, so we calmly wait for the results. A few words about the Williams indicator. It works best at the moment of re-entering the channel. If several candles close after that, each signal becomes irrelevant. This strategy works on any time frame, but keep in mind its speed. You know, if you're trading using it, catch the moments and watch the charts closely. Generally, this applies to all trading. The more attentive you are, the lower your chances of losing. Okay, I'm closing in another profitable trade here. Guys, now let's increase the risk. Wait a little bit and re-enter the markets. I really like this asset right now. I'm sure we can open a few more strong trades here. Perfect. Now is the time. I'm back in the market under the same conditions, expecting a price drop. By the way, this is another advantage of the strategy, and the alligator in particular. The indicator allows multiple consecutive entries because it essentially gives just two signals, will rise and will fall. If Williams doesn't signal the opposite, nothing stops us from taking or making multiple trades on the same chart. In fact, in my experience, such trades tend to be more successful in the long run. Meanwhile, the price isn't in the best position yet, though it shows signs of decline. We have 10 seconds left before expiration. Okay, much better now. This is exactly the outcome we need. Just a couple more seconds, and yes guys, we're locking in profits. Now let's wait a bit and make another market entry. And of course, I'll show you other setup with different currency pairs later. Alright, so you're expecting another drop. The last red candle clearly indicates you're still downside potential here. And now I'll show you the area. Here it is. This is where the price previously tried to break through. Now we see the third attempt. Maybe this one will succeed. And as you can see, trading is often a dynamic activity with constant entry points and growing deposits. If you want to try it yourself with minimal risk, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in my description. Yes guys, there I share my personal trade signals. I open trade myself and I share them with my team. It's a great option for beginners looking to grow their deposits, so I recommend giving it a try. Meanwhile, I'm closing my fourth profitable trade today. It's time to switch assets. I'll be back soon guys. Okay, I opened the shorts immediately here. Williams is still neutral, the asset is declining, and the alligator is blue line is on the top. Here the target level guys. There's also a second closer one if you watch closely. Now we just wait for results. One more important note about this strategy, this is just an example guys. Your personal trading experience may differ. Nothing stops you from adding a third indicator if you need it, or you can just adjust the setting. For example, you bring back the teeth line, which I removed. My goal is to give you a ready-to-use working tool. You can replicate it exactly or use it as a foundation for your own trading approach. It's all in your hand guys. Another confident trade closed. It's time to find the last one, and I'm already looking. I'm opening a short. Here's another similar setup. Let's analyze it to reinforce what we've learned. Here's the level the asset is approaching. We can expect a reversal from it, but not yet. Other indicators within our strategy suggest a drop, so this is perfect for our final trade. Okay, no movement in our direction yet, but there is no need to worry. Always keep emotions in check. Cold-bloodedness is key in trading. Any asset moves almost randomly, especially within a single minute. Anything can happen until the very end. If you get so emotional, you will lose just your nerve. Final seconds guys, and yes, now that's what I call a brilliant result. Profits locked in right at expiration. That's enough for today. Let's wrap it up guys. And there you have it guys, the numbers speak for themselves. $4,000 in pure profit from just one trading session. Anything is possible when you have a solid trading system, and now you can try it out yourself. To make your start even more confident and profitable, I highly recommend joining my Telegram channel. Besides reliable trade signals and breakdown of other strategies, you will find an exclusive promo code for Pocket Option Broker. With it, you get 50% deposit bonus, literally free money. Deposit 100, get 150. Use it while I stay active. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment about this video. I always want to know what my viewers are looking for. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video. Until then, trade smart.